Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Voronezh. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and began to replace obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years and know very well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one on my own, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. Plans for modernization included the purchase of a blistering machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging from PVC roll material. The machine automatically fills the cells with tablets. After filling the cells, the equipment seals the surface of the blisters with aluminum foil. The main effect on the coating of tablets is moisture. Being in the individual cell of the blister, the tablets are protected as much as possible. The blister machine we had was constantly being repaired, did not provide the necessary performance and sealing of the tablets. Since I have already chosen many different machines for our company, I have extensive experience in the selection and remain the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I began by telephone contacting the manufacturers and find out whether they could produce a blister machine. Then I contacted the company in Kaliningrad. The manager of the company said that they do not produce this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are ready to design and produce a blister machine for oval tablets, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer of automatic oval pill blister packaging equipment, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no documents for installation or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 machine suppliers on the internet. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All of the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of the managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later, I received from them in the mail 10 variants of various blister machines, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they have no professional approach, and I will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the shape of pills to be packed in a blister, told me about the terms of delivery. At the consultation stage, he suggested an automatic machine for packing oval-shaped tablets into blisters, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. Within a week, we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The specialist offered to test the machine. For this, we sent a sample of their aluminum foil, PVC film for the formation of the blister, and the pills themselves. Manager reported the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery. 1 month after signing the contract, we received the automatic equipment for packaging capsules into PVC blisters. The manager provided the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings, instructions for use. We installed the machine. The design of the equipment provides a system of working with PVC and aluminum foil packaging materials. When heated, the cells are formed on the PVC tape, and then oval pills fall into the cells through a hopper with a distribution system. The blisters are cleaned with special brushes. Aluminum foil covers the PVC and is welded by heating. The machine is controlled by an LCD screen system. Then the process of blister trimming takes place. The aluminum waste is twisted on the shaft, which eliminates contamination of the work area. The equipment is made of stainless steel. We are satisfied with the blister machine. The machine produces a blister for 10 oval tablets. In the future, I plan to contact the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment, which should be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will choose me a high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the task at hand and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.